not grow their hearts. Suffered because of the effect of the rain. We've had cases of classes collapsing, toilets collapsing. So we'd like to appeal to other stakeholders, donors, and across the country to consider the people of northern Kenya. We know that most resources are going to the south part of the country. I think we appeal that does come into northern Kenya and try to help areas like Baragoi, areas like Marsabit County, and Samburu County in general. This is an appeal to all the NGOs, non-state actors, and all the donors across this country.
Mixed day school with our partners, Kenya Dryland Education Fund, in support of education initiatives in Samburu North. We are giving out bursaries for needy students here today to commission a laboratory, which we have done through the national government CDF for the year 2023-2024. We are also looking forward to making strides in development within this community.
Naguo utube wa kiama kia UDA ugitongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru kiama-ini giki ni weterio